You heard my steps behind and turn around, no one's there. And as you quicken up your pace, you find it hard to look again, because you're sure there's someone there. Fear of the dark, fear of the dark. I have a constant feeling something's always near. Fear of the dark.